Shamalis Ericarte, and today I'll be demonstrating the sales data analysis demonstration and assessment using Google Sheet. So first, the activity flow. Download ko muna yung file name na online store orders, and i-click lang yung link, then i-download. Download na, i-click natin. Ayan, na-download na. Punta tayo dito at i-search natin ang Google Spreadsheet. Google Spreadsheet. Ito. Ay, hindi na. Okay.
Ay. Din. Drop.
Then, punta tayo sa blank spreadsheet.
Drop salad.
And then, sa file.
Drop.
File. Then, import.
Drop.
Then, sa upload. Browse. And click the online store na dinownload natin kanina. Open.
Drop. Ayun.
Import data.
Drop. Kahit yan lang. Drop.
So, let's drag this para makita natin na
Ayos.
oh Lord. Drag all of this. And then
Drop. Finish na. Abi, halil. Hindi na mabili. Nasa drop ko mo. Music ini kanta ay.
ayun, let's click this and Control A at i-arrange muna natin. At okay na pala.
I love you so.
So, ayun.
Ay, ikaw man ako ang gusto.
Let us format
Oh Lord.
the colors of the customer ID, which is blue, yellow.
I love you so.
Next is the product to green. And then total price to red. Total price to red. And the rest will be yellow.
Bluetooth mode.
Yellow.
Lord, I love you so.
Yellow.
Ikaw man ako ang gusto. I love you so. Ay ikaw man ako.
Then let's format the date. Ako?
Palayan ako.
The date is again. Number to para makita ito. Next, let's format the prices into the Philippine currency. Ito, para sa format, number, then Philippine peso. Yun, tsaka yung isa. Format again, number, then Philippine peso. Alright. Tsaka punta tayo dito sa sheet 2 para gawin natin tong part 2 demonstration. Total sales by product. Control V. Then balik tayo at copy natin ang formula. Let me ganito na siguro. Copy natin yan. Control C. Balik tayo sa Chrome. And let's proceed to this. Para hindi siya ma-error, click natin ito dito. Control V. Then enter. Ayun. Then borders. Alright. Next. So, next one is the total quantity sold by product. So, let's copy this one and balik tayo doon. Then let's copy the formula.
I open my heart, ikaw ang napili ko. No, I love you so.
Control V, enter. Ito yung total quantity sold. And borders. Alright. Total quantity sold. So, the chair. Ito yung mga. Next one is the sales by payment method. Copy. Next is tayo dito. Balik na naman tayo doon. Para hindi ako malibot. Ito ang payment method na ginamit. Ayan. Borders. The next one will be the fourth one, which is the number of orders by referral source. Copy. Then Control V. Yes. Nagimos ako video. Yan lang. Control C. Then Control V. Na-error talaga siya pag hindi mo siya dito tinay. Again, Control V. Enter. Ayun. And then let's put borders. Erase. Put some borders. The next one will be top 10 customers by spending. connection kasi naputol ang aking screen record. Let me copy the formula of the top 10 customers by spending. C. Ito, control. Aha, yun, tuloy. Control V. Ganyan. Plus, let's put the borders. Ganyan. And the last one will be the number of orders by order status. Let's put it here. Control V. And then let's copy. Then aha, na-error siya. Balik. Balik tayo. Let's click this one. And Control V. Enter. Ba't na-error siya? Erase. Balik. Control V. Enter. Ayan. Borders. Para mas maintindihan at mas clarify siya. So, ayun. Next one will be let's proceed to the part 3 and replace the product names. And let's find all records containing laptop and replace them with desktop PC. So let's click this one and file, edit and find and replace, then type laptop. Replace with desktop. Yun. Nanglan mo na. Okay. Keyboard. Okay. And desktop. PC. Ayan. Then push specific range. All sheets. Replace all. Okay. Hindi ko alam to. Let me try it. Ayun, nakuha ko. So, para malaman natin na tama ang ginawa natin. Let's find laptop. There are no entries matching laptop. Alright, tama pala yung ginawa natin. Then let's find out desktop PC. Okay. Okay. Find. Ayan. Marami siya. Ito. Ito mo yun. 78, 93, 104, 110. Ito. Yan. Tama ang ginawa natin. So, let's proceed to change 10 customers ID into my student ID. So let's just change 1 to 24 0 6 6 8 1. Enter. Then 10, sabi dito 10. Then let's drag this. 3, 10. Enter. Ayun, change na. The next one will be insert your municipality. So dito tayo sa shipping address. So I'm from Balingasan. Then let's drag. Oy. Then let's drag this one. Paano natin lang? Kulang isa. Alright. Next one will be modify payment methods randomly. Select 5 records and change their payments method into another valid payment method already existing in the data set. So, online wheel. Ano pa yun? Alright. Ano ba yun? Kailan ba? Let's correct it. Let's change this one into capital para sure. Lima lang yun guys. Yung dalawa dyan is 5 na yan. So let's proceed to the assessment proper. Part 4, scenario. So, punta tayo dito sa everything else and let's read. You were hired as a junior data analyst of an online shopping company. The management wants to understand the sales performance, customer behavior, product movement, and payment trends using the provided data set. Using Google Sheets query formulas, generate the following reports requested by the management team. So, first is generate a report. The finance department wants to identify which payment methods generate the highest amount of sales revenue. So, let's copy first this one. Then, let's proceed to sheet 2. And ito lang. Copy. Then, edit. Alright. So, holding the payment method. Ayan. Enter nyo. Enter nyo nilagay. So, generate a report that displays the total sales group according to payment method. So, let's Control D. Ay! Then let's change the B into H. total sales group according to payment method. Next one will be the sales department wants to determine how many items each customer has purchased. Generate a report that displays the total quantity sold per customer. Start here. And quantity sold. Control A, Control C, and let's go here. Oh, people. Then Control B. Then let's change the B into C.
Wala man sila yung code. Ay, kasi wala ko pa ng code.
Enter. Ah, balik. Control V. Balik tayo. Next, balik. Control A, Control C.
Ay, salamat sa isang pagkakas.
Then change natin ng B into C.
Halabi. Kasi ano eh. Big. Di siya.
Rote.
Di ka nagay mo sa team.
Mga dyan.
Wala.
Sila kung yun.
Isa akong team.
Wala kabalo kaya ang gigamit kaya Jenica man.
Ganito to ganun. Bailo mo sa nasa yan.
Wala may nagbailot yun na video. Ano ba siya? Ano siya? Next is the marketing department know which products are commonly purchased based on where customer discovered the store. Generate a report that displays all products sold per referral source. Okay. Referral. And change natin ito na total sales. Total sales of email is 250. Facebook 228, Google 241, Instagram 259, referral 222. Next is the customer relations department plans to launch promotional campaigns for customers with low spending activity. Generate a report. That displays the 15 customers who spent the least. Ganito yun. Yun, 15.
Kabwa para resilan. Muna gingon na the empty sa video.
Board.
Ano na siya ano? Dating ano ba? Nagpapadapan ba sila? Over sa iyo ang
Then the inventory department wants to identify products with weak sales performance for possible clearance or promotional activities. Generate a report that displays the 10 products with the lowest sales.
para market. Kumantiyan asawa o maslingan. Lado ka na siya. Yung papaanak. Hindi na rin na sa pagkagalibot. Kaya dapat
Diba?
Ayan, ay patang lahon. Ayaw kay P.S. Lloyd. Magaling yung ibang sumba.
Diba?
Oh, ito mo na niya na sumba.
10 products.
Ayun.
Nababuhan ka kay Lloyd. Kaya gawin mo, hindi ka kusog kay katulong ko ang sa una kay kusog-kusog ka sa una. Balag buntag na malingan yapon. Ito lahi naman ko. Uy, dahil ang talang. Mga tombo na ulit.
Done. Done.
Mm.
Ano lang?
Hindi ko na siya mag-try.
Wala may mga resources pa rin. Oh boy, wala. Hindi ko kung tama.
How to solve the customer? Wait. Change it into notices. Okay na. Ano yun? Ano gagawin ko? Upload the record session dito sa receive program. Ayun na. Total sales rate product. Sales rate nothing. That would be all. Yeah. Ito na yung lahat. Total sales rate product, total quantity sold by product, sales by payment method, number 4 is by referral source, top 10 customers by spending, number 4 is by order status, generating a report that displays the total sales group according to payment method, generating a report that displays the total quantity of sold per customer, generate a report that displays all them, and generating a report that displays the 15 customers who spent the least, and generating a report that displays the 10 products with the lowest sales. 10 products lang pala. Ito. Lahat. 10 products lang. That would be all. Relaxation.